Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how you can create a course and sell it online for the whole world and accept the payment in all different currency using WP-LMS. So let's just check it out. So we're gonna log in as a tutor in WP-LMS. Once you log in, you will see a dashboard like this where you will have the users, course reports, student enrollment, and everything at one place. You're gonna go to click on courses from the left side menu. So that will land you on a page where we have the course listed, but you just gonna click on add new course at the top. So this will help you create a new course. So you might want to create a course and then add lessons or your chapters within that particular course, right? So we're gonna give a title, web design full course, then there is a description. So we have a rich text editor. You can give some formatting over here as well. Then there is a help, course setting help that you can use, and then there are course settings. You can give the course code, the location, this is online or it's in person, how much duration for the course, start date, end date, how many attendees or learners that you want to have take as part of this course. You can also define that limitation over here. You can also define the pricing of the particular course as well over here. So these different parameters help you actually configure the course that you want to sell it to the larger audience. So it helps you on more revenue and standardize your learning process, delivering learning process. The recurrence pattern, your course expiry, meaning you might have just 1 year or 360 days course. Enrollment mode, what mode you want to enroll the students. Then if you want to have the quiz that you want to give to students before you hand out them the certificate, or if you want to conduct a test, you can also define that over here. Now the course video is kind of highlight of your course, what's the benefit of course and things like that. So this is more like your marketing perspective that you can use over here. So you can put up a YouTube video or Vimeo video over here. Then whoever is going to take this course, so meaning your tutor or teacher, just select in the author field whoever is taking this particular course, and once you are done, you can publish this particular course. So once you click on publish, it will ask you to save it and then publish this particular course. You can always have the featured image, course image, categories. There are a lot of parameters on the right column that we are not covering as part of the video, but you can always set up and configure those options over there. So we have now created the web design full course using WordPress learning management system called WP-LMS. So that particular course, as you can see, is there in the list, web design full course. So now we are going to create chapters or lessons in this particular course. So web design full course we have created, and then now we are going to add new lessons in it. It might have 20, 50, whatever number of chapters you want to have, right? You can create the lessons. So you will maybe start with chapter 1 or something like that. So we're going to create lesson 1 and then write down some description in it. Obviously again the course is web design full course that we can select. And then if there is a quiz, so remember you can also have the quiz as part of the lesson as well. And there might be number of videos that you want to put, lesson videos, so that you can create over here. Again the tutor name that you want to select, and once you are done you can publish this particular lesson. So lesson and the course is parent-child relationship. So web design course is your parent, whereas lesson is your child. So whenever a student purchases the course, the lesson is automatically enabled for them, right? So that's how it works. So we have successfully created a lesson 1 for web design. It can have the video, it can have the PDF, it can have the Word document as part of the learning material that you can create use over here. So let's just go back to dashboard, and then we log in to go into the front end. So the course that we created is should be listed in the front end when you click on course list. So there you go. The first web design full course listing is that particular course. You can buy now, the student can buy now or read more about the details of this particular course. The pricing is there. It shows the number of lessons we have, and you can do the enrollment, right? So click on button of enrollment and it will give you enrollment options, so the payment option and everything. So this is how you can actually, as a tutor, as a teacher, you can create a course and sell it online using WP-LMS. This will help you deliver the learning material to your student faster than ever. Thank you very much, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.